traveling in Central America, the weather can change very quickly. Today we are going to see what a difference one day can make. It can be the difference between a beautiful day at the beach or a miserable day in the rain. Let's get started just after I cross the Panama Canal and start heading north across Panama.
All right, well, good morning from Panama. And shoot, I just had a light fall off. Great. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to fix that at some point next time I stop. Yeah, so we are heading north. That's it, just north. The plan today is to hug the Pacific coast onto a peninsula and try to stay in maybe like a small beach town. Seems like a good idea to me. Yeah, I don't know what the ride's going to be like. At least the beginning of it, I think, is all freeway. But since I can't really try for do adventurous routing, I think this is kind of what we get a lot of the time. Hopefully, when we turn onto the peninsula towards the beach, this becomes a much smaller road. Maybe a little more scenic. But we're still pretty close into Panama City here, so yeah, we'll just keep going. Cue the music, you know, that game. So I took my light off, put it in the bag so it's not dangling around, to find a new piece of hardware for it. And I'm not in shape for the heat. It was pretty cool where I was in Colombia. Then it rained the whole time I was in Brazil. It never really got super hot. This is a wake-up reminder of what the heat is. I've gone through a lot of water. So close to the Pacific Ocean, and definitely a lot of cattle though.
I have a room. It's actually quite a cute little place. I'm really happy with it. It's a little bit more expensive than I spend in places in South America, but I think by Panamanian standards, it's not too bad. So it was just about $50 for the night. So but Panama's much more expensive than the rest of the countries. So I'm going to cool off, turn that air conditioner on, and then see about going to the beach maybe. All right, made it to the beach. So it's hot. I think I'm gonna get myself in the water. All right, got a nice swim in. So, well, not a swim because of the ankle. I can't really swim yet because I can't kick. But I waded and bobbed. Yeah, nice, quite refreshing. The water's very warm. I guess you would expect that right in Panama. So there was a nice little spot. So just gonna enjoy the beach for a little bit longer and just sit around, and dry out, and I'll go back into town for dinner.
Ciao. Whew. It's already hot. Yeah. All right. Let's cover some miles. I got some rain. It's actually a little bit nice. It kind of cools it down just slightly.
Well, I'm finally on some small road. So I've been looking for. I've got a couple more hours on it. So the GoPro's been having problems. So I'll see what kind of footage I can put in. I'm gonna try to get it to work. But yeah, that's the hope. So let's get to riding, huh?
I much prefer the roads like this than the highway. I think you see more. This is more of what I expected Panama and Central America to look like. I guess the main highway was teasing me. I love riding through trees and jungles, all of this. It always just feels a little exotic to me. Stunning, huh? I don't like riding in the rain because I can't really use my rear brake very effectively. So I've got to gauge my speed coming into every corner really well. I'm hoping it's a short squall here and I ride through the other side pretty quick. I also got to be careful because all this mud and stuff is going to be super slick. Stuff like that, which you got to be careful of. Well, it looks like it's letting up, I hope. Alright, I just had to stop and change batteries, but look at this spot, huh? It's beautiful, beautiful. Now back to it. I don't know if it's gonna rain more. I don't know if I'm heading into or away from or what, but my gloves are soaked. I'm drying out from being in the wind a little bit here. I just saw this spot with this view. I wanted a picture, and it was a good time to change the battery because my other one had died. We're settling in for more rain. I'm actually throwing the jacket on even though it's still pretty warm. I'm already wet enough. I don't want to get soaked and cold if temperature starts dropping. And I'm getting close to the end of the day, so I don't want to show up complete with everything completely soaked because then I just have to wait for it to dry. Let's hope this lets up here and I just ride through it real quick. My GPS is doing crazy stuff because all the water hitting it.
As the rain was starting to let up a little, I was able to find a hotel for the night, so I could rest and dry out before heading towards the Caribbean side of Panama, which is what we will do in the next video.